Guys, today I'll be doing my crosswalk experience part 2, Broadway and Main Street. Which button I'm gonna press? I think I'm gonna go right over there and over here because that's where we park. So
wait to cross Main Street at Broadway Avenue, traveling north. Wait to cross Main Street at Broadway Avenue, traveling north.
Sorry, it's wet. So it's wet because it was raining outside. So this thing makes a noise. Yeah, this thing's already messed up. Yep, it's wet. So push button for a walk signal, which I'm going to show you. This is the walk signal here. Signal, whatever it is. So that is this one. So this thing is connected to this thing here. And this. Do you hear the sound? So this one actually makes the sound, but not trying to say wait. The wait.
Main Street. Walk sign is on.
Let's go.
Wait to cross Broadway Avenue at Main Street, traveling east.
I don't understand. So this button, they have two buttons on the side and this one on the middle. So it gets weird.
Wait to cross Broadway Avenue at Main Street, traveling east.
Yep. How about this one? This one actually, well, these two buttons work and the other one doesn't. So these two buttons are in the middle of this. So this is, they should be putting like, sorry. They should put in this arrow right here. So here's that little thing, the one you can press on.
Wait across Broadway Avenue at Main Street, traveling.
We have Main Street and Broadway Avenue, and here are the lights. So we're gonna wait until the light turns green, or the crossing will turn gray or something like that. So I will wait here just for a second, and then we're gonna wait for the walk sign. Yes, sorry you guys actually hear the wait. So
wait across Broadway Avenue at Main Street, traveling east.
Wait, yeah, this one says wait. These two buttons don't work. These two here. This one doesn't work. This one doesn't work. Only this one.
Broadway Avenue. Walk sign is on.
So the walk sign's on right now. That is my crosswalk experience.